Ola bise bulungi, onyilila bulungi, fanana bulungi. Ola bise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana bulungi.
Hair by clipper, like expected.
day, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can really adore you. Don't worry, I ain't keeping grudges, cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head. Now hard to forget that I
really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises, and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't 시간을 후회해. No, you thought that I would always stay, but you thought I'd be yours and 시간만 말라 nobody. Someone tell me why. Bunch of guys lined up. How'd you lose a baddie like me? Men ändå så redo att let it go. Aldrig trodde jag att något sånt ska hända mig. Jag visste ingenting om vad som skulle komma. Aldrig trodde jag att något sånt ska hända mig. Men jag kunde inte varit längre ifrån sanningen. Har hittat någon, han är lika bra som jag.